Hi guys, it's Himani from EnglishWise. Today we are going to discuss the first question of your speaking section, which is called Read Aloud. Now that's the most important question of your speaking module. You will be getting 6 to 7 questions of this category in your exam. Each question will be a paragraph. That paragraph can be of different length. You can get either a paragraph of 2-3 lines or 4 to 5 lines or maximum 5 to 6 lines. If you get a small paragraph, then you will be getting 35 seconds to prepare that paragraph. Or if you get a long paragraph which is 60 plus words passage, then you will be getting 40 seconds to prepare that paragraph. Now keep in mind, during your preparation time, you don't do mind reading, do mouth reading. Read with your mouth. Try to read it like 1 to 2 times during your preparation time. Once your preparation timer is over, you will hear a beep sound, which is an indication that your recording is about to start. Now, your recording will be of 40 seconds. Make sure you don't consume the full timer. You have to give a response after the beep sound and as soon as your status will change from preparing to recording. And again, once you start giving your response, if the passage is short, make sure you finish that paragraph in 15 to 17 seconds. If it's a lengthy paragraph, then maximum you can consume up to 25 to 28 seconds. And as soon as you finish your recording, make sure you click the next button. Now, you have one question in your mind that why I cannot consume full 40-second timer. The reason is that if you speak really slowly and you consume the full timer, you end up getting low points in speaking section because you speak really slow. The reason is that because you're getting points, the 44 points that you are getting on behalf of different aspects. You're getting points on behalf of content, you're getting points on behalf of oral fluency, and you're also getting points on behalf of pronunciation. These are the 3 major aspects of your speaking section that are giving you points that goes to your speaking and reading module. Now, what's the purpose of content, oral fluency and pronunciation in Read Aloud? Let's start with oral fluency first. Oral fluency means you must speak fast, but at the same time you maintain a flow as well. Again, speaking fast doesn't mean that you have to speak like a robot. You have to speak in a natural way, in a human way, but at the same time, you must take pauses when it is required. When we have a comma, when we have a full stop, or whenever we have a connector, you must take a pause. Or let's say if you got a paragraph that has no commas or no full stop in the middle. In that case, you are allowed to take a pause because again, if you don't take a pause, you will struggle with breathing. So again, if you are taking a pause and you are thinking in your mind that I have to take a pause, in that situation, you guys can take a pause after a few words or let's say after one phrase. So you can either take a pause after and, but, to, for, these sort of words because that will help you to maintain that flow. And again, if you speak fast, if you maintain flow and only taking pauses means you can stop but for a limited amount of time. When I say limited, it means half a second is fine because if you're taking longer than 2 second or 3 second pause, that's going to affect your speaking score. So make sure pause has to be slight. Half a second is fine after the comma and after the full stop. After the full stop, make sure you stress on the first word because a new line is starting. Even again, when you start your paragraph, the first letter, the first word that you're going to speak, make sure you stress on that. And again, on the second line or third line, whichever line you are speaking from your passage, you must stress on the first word because that will give you extra points for your fluency. Second is your pronunciation. Now, pronunciation means you must speak in a correct way and also maintain clarity while speaking. Now, as per Pearson standards, there are 2 types of pronunciation that is acceptable by Pearson, which is British pronunciation and American pronunciation. And again, while practicing, if you are not saying or you are not following these types of pronunciation or even you are saying a word in a different manner, then you end up getting lower points in pronunciation. Now, pronunciation contributes to your speaking module. Even fluency, oral fluency and pronunciation, they both are giving you 5 points each per question to your read aloud. Third is your most important aspect, which is your content part. Now, content is going to contribute to your reading section. Now, again, if you speak in a correct manner, you speak fast, you speak in a flow, even if you read the heading, you still get speaking points. But the thing is, if you don't read the content in a correct manner, you replace the word, you add words, you just subtract words, you just keep repeating a certain word, then you end up losing points in reading section because content means the keyword points goes to your reading module. So let's say the word is in, you replace it with on. The word is off, you replace it with for. If the word is asked, you said ask, you are not stressing on ed. Or the word is students, you say student. Or the word is boys, you said boy. That is also gonna affect your reading section. So make sure you read it exactly as it is in order to get full points in content. Because again, if you're not doing really well in reading module, let's say your fill in the blanks, your reorder paragraph, then you must do really well in this question. And in order to do really well in this question, you must practice 30 read alouds daily. And while practicing, you must write down your scores, whatever scores you are getting in content, fluency and pronunciation. Because the benefit of writing scores is that you can do self-assessment wherever you are lacking. If you are lacking in fluency, it means the reason is that you are speaking really slow and you are not maintaining clarity at the same time. That's why your fluency points goes down. If you're getting lower points in pronunciation, it means you're not speaking in a correct manner. So let's say the word is pleasure. The correct pronunciation for that word is pleasure. But you say pleasure, that's the wrong pronunciation. So make sure you pronounce all these words in a correct manner to get good points in fluency and in your pronunciation aspects that goes to your speaking module. And in order to get the full points in content section, make sure you speak in a correct manner. Do not add words from your side, do not replace words from your side, do not omit words from your side. So make sure you do your best in this question because it's the most scoring question. Thank you for watching this video.